If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. As noted in earlier lessons, to adjust the Adobe PDF printer settings within almost any desktop application after installing Adobe Acrobat, click a button or link, often called Printer Properties, Page Setup, Settings, or something similar depending on the application, within the application's Print dialog box or pane, to then adjust the settings on the Adobe PDF Settings tab within the Printer Settings dialog box that opens. The Adobe PDF Settings tab lets you change the PDF conversion settings used by the application. To select one of the preset default PDF conversion settings on the Adobe PDF Settings tab, select the preset name from the Default Settings dropdown. These preset settings include multiple PDF conversion options for print quality, color conversion, press quality, and file size. If desired, to create a new PDF conversion settings preset, or to modify an existing PDF conversion settings preset in the Adobe PDF Settings tab, click the adjacent Edit button to open the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box. The name of the currently selected PDF Conversion Settings preset appears in the title bar at the top of the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box. It also appears in the hierarchical diagram of PDF conversion settings categories in the upper left corner of this dialog box. These settings categories let you modify the individual settings of the PDF conversion settings preset in the area to the right. To view all available PDF conversion settings presets, check the Show All Settings checkbox under the diagram. To collapse and expand the PDF conversion settings categories for a preset, double-click the preset's name. The preset settings categories are General, Images, Fonts, Color, Advanced, and Standards. To create a new PDF conversion settings preset in Acrobat, first select the existing preset that most closely resembles the PDF conversion settings to use. After selecting the desired preset, click the Save As button at the bottom of the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box to open a Save Adobe PDF Settings As dialog box. It is important that you do not change the location shown within this dialog box so Acrobat can correctly load your custom PDF conversion settings preset in the future. Type the name to give to this new PDF conversion settings preset into the file name field. Note the file type is Adobe PDF Settings Files and uses a .job options file extension. Then click the Save button to save the preset into the folder. The name of the custom PDF conversion settings preset then appears in the preset list. Then select it to change its individual PDF conversion settings, just as you would change any other preset's settings. To modify the individual PDF conversion settings within a PDF conversion settings preset, click the desired preset settings category underneath the expanded view of the preset in the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box. Then, edit the category settings in the area to the right. To save the changes and return to the application's Printer Settings dialog box after editing the desired settings in the presets categories, click the OK button at the bottom of the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box. The next several lessons of this chapter examine the individual settings you can change within each preset settings category. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.